Okay, the team is Aga Salman Ali, captain, Abrar Ahmed, Babar Azam, Fahim Ashraf, Fakhr Zaman, Khwaja Muhammad Nafi, Muhammad Nawaz, Muhammad Salman Mirza, Naseem Shah, Sahibzada Farhan, Saim Ayub, Shaheen Shah Afridi, Shadab Khan, Usman Khan, and Usman Tariq. Thank you.